Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous blouse, so let's begin. For this project you'll need approximately 1.5 meters of fabric. I've already laid out my fabric. I've folded it in half and then half again. You should have 4 layers of fabric. The length of my fabric is 25 inches long, and that will be the length of my blouse as well. Begin by measuring and marking 10 inches for the sleeve. I'm doing this at several points. Next, take your waist measurement and divide it by 4 to get the width of the blouse. So mine was 38 inches and I divided it by 4, which gave me 9.5. You can add half an inch or an inch for ease. Again, mark this at several points. Again, mark and measure the length of your blouse. Mine was 25 inches long, which is also the length of my fabric. Now join the 2 points together, the waist and the armhole measurements. You can use a ruler to do this. Now once you're happy, you can create a curve at the join. Now measure 5 inches for the neck width and 1.5 inches for the neck depth. Join the points together and create a rectangle. Once you've done this, draw a small curve around the neckline. Now carefully cut out your pattern. Your blouse pattern should now look like this. Now you need to cut out 2 strips on the fold, measuring 5 inches wide by approximately 35 inches long. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. It really does help me a lot with the growth of my channel. And just to show you how the strips will be positioned on the blouse. At your sewing machine, begin by stitching the strips. Stitch the strips right sides together. Be sure to leave one end open. Trim off any excess material. Turn the strip inside out. You now have your finished strip. Now repeat the same for the other strip. Now take your blouse and mark your waist area. Then position the strips inside the blouse at the waist measurement. Once you have done this, pin the sides of the blouse as shown. Now carefully stitch the blouse together. Trim off any excess material. Now repeat for the other side. Once you've stitched the sides, turn the blouse inside out, and this is how it should look. Then carefully hem the blouse. Also hem the sleeves. Finally hem the neckline to complete the blouse. And this is how it should look once complete. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I really love how this blouse turned out. Be sure to give it a go and let me know how you get on in the comment section. As always, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my video, and I'll see you next time.